This is a 2-row repeat worked on a multiple of 6 plus 1. My sample was knit with worsted weight yarn in US size 8 needles, and I cast on 19 stitches. For row 1, you're going to repeat knit 1, slip 1, and we're going to be slipping knitwise, just like that. Knit 1, and then pass the slipped stitch over the knit stitch, yarn over, knit 1, yarn over, and knit 2 together. So that's the repeat. Knit 1, slip 1, knit 1, pass the slipped stitch over the knit stitch, yarn over, knit 1, yarn over, and knit 2 together. And you will end by knitting the last stitch. For row 2, start by purling the first stitch, and then the repeat is purl 2, knit 1, purl 3. So you repeat purl 2, knit 1, purl 3. And you just repeat those 2 rows for the pattern.